It's supposed to be a white light. Whenever they
Hey fellow YouTubers, how's it going again? This is the review I promised I would do. I am going to install the Hotbodies MGP Growler exhaust. It's right here. Some parts over here, stickers, whatnot. I'm going to install this, and this is just a before and after. I'll show you how the stock exhaust sounds right now. Just cut to the chase. We're already warmed up here too. Alright you guys, I'm going to go ahead and install the exhaust right over there, and we will see how it comes out. Alright you guys, wonderful sunset out here. Got the new Hotbodies MGP Growler exhaust. Just got it put on today. It's 5 pounds. It's hella loud. You'll definitely enjoy this. So bike's already warm, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. Be ready for this, guys. It is loud. Give it up a little rev for you guys. Definitely a really good sound, real throaty. Alright you guys, so that is just a little bit. I'll be doing a flyby so you guys can see how that sounds, but definitely really loud in the low RPMs. Even idling, it is extremely loud. Really happy with this product, and here comes the flyby. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the comparison review for the stock exhaust for the Ninja 300 and the MGP Growler slip-on exhaust. If you guys liked the video, remember to like and press subscribe. Got more good videos to come. Until next time.